Poppy.
Hello, welcome to the Magic Mirror. Hi kids, today we are going to see the magic mirror with our Poppy and our friends. Let us see what they are doing and how they will feel while seeing the mirror. I think Poppy is coming. Hi Poppy.
Hi.
Hey Poppy, what are you looking very seriously? Do you know about this? It's a magic mirror. Do you know about this?
I don't know.
If you see this mirror, you will get a thrilling feel. So, you go and see your face in this mirror and later show to your Hey Poppy, don't fear to see. Just go and see ya.